Hi again, Ash from Nomisma here, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can enable and produce and file P11Ds through the Nomisma payroll platform. So the screen you can see right now is the payroll dashboard, and from this screen, you can go to Edit Company, and within Edit Company, you have to select Payroll Details. And here you have this option for P11D. So you'll need to enable this by selecting yes and then clicking save. Now, by enabling that, it will set up the P11D within the Nomisma platform and allow you to enter P11D details for each and every employee on this company. So when I go back to the payroll dashboard now and go into an employee profile, so selecting edit, you now have this section here called expenses and benefits. So in expenses and benefits, you can begin entering the P11D details, and you can select the tax year that you want to enter the P11D for. So now we can enter the car information. So if I just go through and put in Tesla, don't need to put a registration number, but you can put your own information. And then let me enter the registration date as that, enter the available from date as going back in time, and then enter engine capacity. I don't know what the engine capacity of a Tesla is. I know the CO2 emissions are 0, but let's just put in 76 here just for demonstrative purposes. And then we can select all other cars and enter a list price of 56,000. We can put in accessories. If the individual made a contribution towards it, you can enter their contribution. And then we can click add car details. So that has been added now. So if you wanted to add another car, you can. But then if we go to loans, we can add another loan. So amount outstanding at the start. So we can enter 30,000. Amount outstanding at the year end. Maximum amount outstanding during the year. Let's just say it was 30,000, so interest free, £0 interest paid. And then we could say that the loan was made at the start of the year and it hasn't been discharged. So that loan has been saved. And now you can also go to other expenses and you can add assets that have been transferred from the company to the individual, payments made on behalf of an employee, vouchers and credit cards, living accommodation. Absolutely everything can be added here and it will all be populated onto the P11D. So let's just put in private medical insurance, and we could select holiday accommodation, save that, and save. There you go. So all of the details have been added. I added a car, a loan, and some other benefits. So now once you've finished populating the P11D, you can go to filing management, and then in the top left-hand corner, select the drop-down and select P11D. So I'm in the tax year 2019-20 at the moment, but if I go into 2020-21, you can see the P11D NIC has been calculated, and you can go to the employees in the top right-hand corner, and you can see the employee, and you can download the PDF. So by downloading the PDF, it then shows me the car benefit in kind, and then I've got the interest-free loan, where it's calculated the benefit in kind as £750, the private medical insurance, and the holiday accommodation. So everything has been populated for you. So once you're happy with this, you can then come back and you can select the P11D and submit it directly to HMRC. So that is the P11D process in Nomisma. I hope this helps. If you do have any other questions, feel free to get in touch with us on support@nomisma.co.uk or give us a call on 020-3021-2326. And if you have any suggestions for any other videos that you'd like to see, please just add them in the comments and we'll make them. All right, I hope this helps. Take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.